13-year-old Tamiann McKenzie of Greater Portmore gone missing. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. And another alert has been activated for a 13-year-old student who goes by the name Tamiann McKenzie, a student of West Greater Portmore in St. Catherine, who has been missing since Thursday, April the 14th. She is dark complexion, medium built, and about 167 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Greater Portmore Police are that Tamiann was last seen at home wearing a blue blouse and short jeans. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Tamiann McKenzie is being asked to contact the Greater Portmore Police at 876-989-0623, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.